Good afternoon, and video number 5 today. Who knows? Right, this is an Anglo Arms plastic lock knife. I think what they mean by plastic is the scales. Yeah, both sides are plastic. Interesting blade configuration. No thumb stud. No movement, or at least you can't reposition the belt clip. It doesn't. Nothing. There's a lanyard hole. It's a liner lock. Right, two choices for opening are there's a stud there, doesn't do much. Tried it. Light switch, push in, nothing. Can sometimes, if you try hard enough, push it out that way, but as far as I can tell, it's supposed to be flicked. Did you catch it? You can, if you try hard enough, actually flick it out that way. It doesn't work particularly well, but then again, it costs less than £2.25. I suppose you'd like some statistics. It is 7 11/16 fully open. That's 193 millimeters. It is 4 5/8 of an inch when it's closed. That's 116 millimeters. The blade is 2.28 millimeters thick. That is less than 3/32. I did put the micrometer on there, and it was 0.11 of an inch thick. The blade length from shoulder to tip is 3 1/16 of an inch. That's 77 millimeters. The blade edge is 2 15/16 of an inch, and that is 75 millimeters in the metric system. The reason why I bought this was because I thought it might be a good knife to try customizing. So I did buy 3 of them. Was it 3? It might have actually been 4 I bought. Yes, it was 4, because I've given one away. One's in my backpack. These are the scales that come with it. Easily removed. 1, 2, 3 screws. Yeah, 4th screw there for the other side. And then I made, out of an old piece of sapele wood I had kicking around, a set of scales. Very rough, way too thick. Didn't bother with the belt clip. It does feel a lot more comfortable in the hand. Fuck up fairly early, I think. Compared to the original. Yeah, pretty early. So, yep, that's it. Like I said, less than £2.25. And that was a scrap piece of sapele wood I had kicking around. It took me about 3 hours. Right, cheers.